Hi, I'm here to show you the height adjustment and basic functionalities of the Armstead 3. So this is the base position of the Armstead 3. Now you can fold it up just by one simple move to 90 degrees, just in between the seats, so you can reach the handbrake and the gear shifter. You can fold it back down. Now the top pad is also slidable to the front and to the back as well. Now to get the desired angle to your driving position, you have a little dial in the back here. So you lift the front of it just for a little bit and then start scrolling down until you reach the desired height of the armrest. See, now it's a little bit angled this way, so you have a higher position for the gear shifter. Now you can keep on going upwards, or if you want to go back down, you lift again and then scroll forward now. Keep on going and you go to the base position again and then tie it down this way. That's all. Thanks for watching.